I don't feel like she's mine enough.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we have the Air Max 270 Doernbecher. Now this is a shoe that a child at the Doernbecher hospital actually designed themselves. We'll get more into the details of that later, but for now I'm going to give you guys a quick little look at the shoe before we get into the detailed breakdown. So this is one of the models from the Doernbecher collection, the Air Max 70. This is personally one of my favorites from the collection. Really nice colorway, and I think for a child to design it, it looks amazing. Couldn't have done it better myself, honestly, so I'm really proud of the work. With that said, let's get into some of the details and talk about the child who actually created the sneaker. Starting off with the box, the first thing I want to show you guys says Doernbecher Freestyle with the Nike swoosh on this light blue box. Looks really dope. And then just getting into the tag. Size 10 Air Max 270 DB stands for Doernbecher. Suggested retail 150 USD, and the official colorway on the sneaker is black metallic gold. As we open the shoe box, the first thing inside is some information written about the child who designed the sneaker. You guys a little detailed view of that. So Aiden Barber, 9 years old, and that's the medical condition he had along with the shoe he designed. So shout out to him, looks really dope. Inside we have this paper with the freestyle sticker. Getting right into the shoes, first thing I'll go over is this little chain that's on the sneaker. So it's a gold colored chain, it looks like a mermaid with a triton in the hand. So really nice, cool little touch. Here it says always believe, which is Aiden's motto. So really cool how they put that on the sneaker. Cool little message there. And on top of the camo upper here we have a gold Nike swoosh. And I have the contrast in the texture and the camo color on the sneaker over here. Taking a look into the heel part of the sneaker, we transition from camo to a black and gold colorway. Really dope, and the gold carries throughout the heel of the sneaker all the way into the medial side. And then on the heel tab we actually have the designer's initial again, AB. And then here on the pull tab is the Air Max 270 logo. Getting into the medial side, once again we have the same gold Nike swoosh on this side with the same panel. Again, says 270. And the black midsole going all throughout the sneaker, as you guys can see. The toe box of the sneaker, once again with the full camo look, along with a transition on the toe guard, but once again in camo. Going up the tongue, once again we have the gold Nike swoosh along with the designer's initials. Outsole of the sneaker, we have an Air Max 270 outsole, and really cool, it says always on this pair, and on the other pair it says believe. So really cool how they did that. You know, it's just the details that they put into the sneaker that really makes it stand out. One last thing, again, very important to go over on the insole of the sneaker is actually the condition that the child is suffering. So it's a picture of his brain. So really cool how Nike paid attention to the details and did that. It's actually present on both pairs. I'll show you guys the other pair. So really glad Nike does this. I think Doernbecher program is really cool. And one last thing I do want to highlight, on the black laces we have these gold tips. So it gives it a nice feel. So overall I think this is a really nice sneaker. I really love the colored camo. And on the Air Max 270, really comfortable sneaker. I think it looks great. And the fact that there's a story band in the sneaker makes it even better. And you guys one final 360 look at the sneakers. Alright guys, there you have the review of the Air Max 270 Doernbecher. Once again, in my opinion, this is one of the best models and colorways from the Doernbecher collection. Really glad I was able to pick these up for retail, and definitely something I'm really glad to take part in and have a shoe in my collection. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please hit that thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more, and I'll be posting a lot of videos soon, so stay tuned.